we getting through that with my hands? How are we getting through that long? Yeah.
And they just look like nice rocks.
Yeah. Now, the waterway that's on the outside. How do you get?
Well, the same thing. We're gonna come down, we're gonna go in there. The water's gonna down, raised up to that level. Hot water flowing in here. Those gates are gonna open, we're gonna be at that level. Yeah, those are gates right here.
It's black, right?
Yeah. We couldn't see it. No, because he was in the way. But they won't do it until it's not a ship, so they're not wasting water.
What is it, 44 Its lowest was 22.
Chris, this is a term for years.
So we saw the tanker leaving, and we don't see anything behind that. I reckon it was stern, maybe they're planning. That's going out safely. See the car carriers out. Off to the left. I'll give you our schedule later on as we
Yeah. He just said it was a car carrier.
Now, along the locks, you'll notice there are different buildings. These are all shops. These are electrical, mechanical shops. Any one of the parts can be repaired or rebuilt right here on the spot. They just have local shops.
Mine is given out.
Yes, sir. You don't.
So let's say one of the needs service. Take it offline, put it in, do whatever has to be done to them, including maybe swiping out an engine that's giving problems, and they put in a new one. And maybe they do it very fast, a couple days, it's back online. Now the canal is coordination. It's coordinated through the Marine Traffic Control Center. And they do run a very, very tight schedule. The captain, for example, is given a time to be at the breakwaters. And in fact, it was 6:30, and the captain on our ship was right there. Right on 6:30. If the ship is given a sign, let's say 6:30, we are arriving late, they will actually might be fined for being late, because that throws the whole operation on sea. They do have a very, very careful control on the